Yes, it's about 17 after 1. And without wasting my time, Memory Papa, but good afternoon, Ghana.
Ayekoo. besientu Chisano mafofro Namakori Akahome Found it from me
Ayekoo. Going out to you, my lovely friend out there. Yeah, for Doris, good afternoon. Going out to you. Not forgetting agenda. We are station master war a Martina and my uncle as well. I say good afternoon. Going out to you, agenda. One agenda. And to you, Pastor Isaac Yawbuama, A.K.A Nana Imponti. What's limited is a Safo, now we are Safo Pong, down Kuga. Mima, good afternoon, away, Papa. Such an energetic and hard working pastor. All right, Mami Momo for a year hot fit bit in Embro is just about 27 after 1, and then the 12th day in a month of October 2023. Good afternoon. Yes, Mami Faster, I can see Fama a chill out tree and pap. Oh, my time, and I wish I may bomb the a hot fit bit in idea, brew, baby. I will be talking about chill out tree and pap. Massa. Me baby, me we are me bay. Me share me age. Na me hwe baby Yakopon ye maduma metimi ewura wo mabrabo mu a. Especially baby ye didi de minim baby me sen taxi driver kura. Pa bisa. Baby ye didi pa de minim joint pop. What pa bisa KBB. Mr. Wagubu Achibuati, Bizano. When you say minimum joint, papa, you be so correct cracker. But in your woman, say, joint be an in the taste. As a man may know, became vitamin some better than Brassi. And I mean, Jina Eja or Ba anything from Krunkon Demon, I know Becca. Also, watch me so amen. Watch me amen. The end your Ube Didi, baby, a fried rice, de, chill out. And a eatery and pop. A chill out eatery and pop. A honum and a fried rice, de, jollof with chicken. Plain rice with gravy. Ever plain rice with vegetable stew. A started fried rice. What the answer is? I guess in what town say boys and how much your mama do coin. You make just say chill out. If not chill out, forget it, my brother. But what so a French fries and I'll be pay a diamond chicken. Banku with great tilapia, banku with okra stew, banku with goat or tilapia light soup. Hey, Nano. We could do contepa and granule soup. Check it out, yo. Then the rice balls with granule soup. Fufu with goat soup. Have a fufu with granule soup. Have a open PC and so I ban a kama the amount. A back continental dishes and so I will be to say spring rolls. Have a kekano. Shawarma no. Millionaire chia. FATU, on Sunny, and any a sounds of a cocktail. It would do honor my audio cocktail, cacra, so be the deal where did not wet or appetite cacra. A chill out eatery and pub now may come for the ammo is the girls, my girls. If not chill out, then forget it. Alright, chill out to 0554 039939. 0554-039939 and 0594-989227 0594-989227. Chill out. I say I said well your wedding engagement. You might be a woody piano. But you are transferring on your okay trap for the day. You enjoy. Need to be no case idea. And your name. On the 21st day in the month of October, who worry what a day. Thank you so much for choosing Phynest. Happy to be your official MC. I'll pass through. My name man was any I'll pay. Yes, it's just about 30 after a year one. And you heard it bit, you know, what are we talking about? We're talking about garlic. And the garlic who wants 70 year health benefit and I say so papa your bomber the garlic see dimwa voice of a cough and cold when him say me no cause we will be a wobo wadroa and no edi garlic garlic won't be bria. You know, you are salted. What I say, and you good for candies health and so as well. In Timonso assembly, wow, you know, me person we are but me person me call that side be if it improves brain functioning. Say uti uni piano. So what I say uti. I dream poet damono, wa dream brain no. Ope say ye juma ne bu juma wadre party at Teddy garlic. Teddy garlic pa and if it improves digestion. So we be dine aduane na ebetimi aye ntem wo yam na etimi digest ntem no you need garlic. Into make sure so unuane a we be no garlic be wom. Anything na me de da me ka say chill out eatery and pop. Enyo omo de ento mu buya mbre me because me ni. So what you say? And if about balance a blood sugar and so with the garlic bois with that aspect and so and improve your skin health and so and ma we need peduane ni da wo say yes so what the garlic prevent cancer and ulcer. So what I say peptic ulcer ho and cancer and so it will be a what the garlic this sickness is nothing what I say garlic and be bonze ededin. Once again, I'm fast that I can see him for match Lati tree and Papa Swallow superb lunch. Oh, my time, and I'm a bomb or the other hot hit tidbit and I did bro any Jumedi and Casano. Oh, Cassus superb lunch, Bushia and Pimbi, you know, when you're looking for the official party center, Nankro for you to be. So, what I say? And Penny's a video good in Fatana, Nefatana Kono. So, what I say? Internet, me no Casa. I am directing you straight to the official party center where everything some day there. Everything some. and one is superb lunch. Okoko Komirimra Fanny Fast Street. Obomodia fa top radio in Chemu Honoma when Sabeka superb lunch. They work Monday to Sunday. Oba Akuapem Swap. Weekends Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Watch out when you say on the second day in a month of December. Omodi Himano Samini, A.K.A Samini Eba superb lunch. And to watch out Samini fans in and on the 30th day in a month of December, so King Promise will be passing through obeying a larger part. 30th King Promise near the area 31st in him. What I see. So all the actions happening inside Superb Land official party center. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell that special friend sample Orokodo. Ain't you know, it's just about 33 after 1. Kayo so be dinner woda. It's just simple as ABC. WhatsApp me 0551677555 and now ko Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1. Mejimbre na mabone bomodia akaini fe edi amount. Good afternoon.
Easy, limba con baby. Oh yeah, me lady, and yeah, easy, limba con baby. Slim drop the track.
Ayekoo.
Tick tack, slim buster. We drop the track. Tick tack, slim buster. We drop the track.
Ayekoo.
Honey, baby, Yaman Kitty,
Ayekoo.
Wama, Asanabe, Majuwa, Ewunide, Tamiti, Subai, Onyekura, Anuntina, Wama, Sophie, Masanabe, Wama, Sophie, Ripa Uchoyo, Nanyipara Senyiso, you don't want the papa rather, answer na Yebonu, Chile, Wasa Ikrati, Sophie, Masanabo, Mayo Boniti, Etanamisi, Mayo Boniti, Etanamisi,
Excuse me, must say Edena. So fi dig a slam, so they me quanti adena. Yeah, I'm para. Ta. Me back me drop me far. Mommy puppy, Mobana me yada. Me shada, me nya prepa. Raka say ya prepo sabiha. Jababa Ibrahim ya no papa. Nana ya.
Ayekoo.
Baby, do my darling. Munya kwatwa. Otaka sa me no beko.
One day, Friday night, not to the name.
No, yeah.
Monday night, sir.
No, yeah. Ayekoo.
Not to the name.
No, yeah.
Ayekoo. Ayekoo.
Come with him, me hiding with him. I come out on him. When you want the legacy, the man will be the latest. The latest. Logo ligia uye I didn't cry no yesa no do yesa na wo hameba the female wo the coming who she yo all the way one man them up pepa na me wo all the way wa chin ko ambe kumio makume mu do pen to makuma sa Ayekoo.
My radio 97.1.
Ayekoo.
So chima so sampo, yeah. Memoir will cry and empty what, yeah, how I dream say, Ube Chan. Yeah, me, I'm gonna say, won't catch you and me, yeah, my wife, my winning, Jatu, I dream, who say, who can't cry me, and they see me, yeah, me way feel, oh, the Casa do Masu, Metie Uda, Messi Casa do Masu, Metie Uda, oh, the Casa do Masu, Metie Uda, Messi Casa do Masu, Nati Rain feel, na 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 na.
Akoma Radio 97.1.
And I know condition is ever permanent. And in Tinya me yama ubiano, dog my way me so, and they see me ye. The rain feel on the Casa Gumasu, Metilda, the Casa Gumasu.
Anyway, Chikota Uni on this one, the Casa Gumasu, featuring Aoya. Charlie, and you my bako. Way back. Around here, no rap your friend. Oh, yeah. Hey, shout out to Manager Kwaku. Have you know how we do it this say? Hey, that China, you may know crowd dance. My stand so about Chico Dauni. Yeah, would you? Etika, yeah, and no, alright, we see him Rasa says, me what my dear, the no idiom, my word end there. Idiom with the intuja. I have just about 10 more minutes to say bye bye to you. But right about time, listen to this song from Ayekoo. Yes, 9 more minutes. But I would Mami Mama Dianka, happy birthday, Kasiepa and show. And that being exactly on the 12th day in the month of October 2023. No, on the 12th day in the month of October, Isaac Adongo. Isaac Adongo, yes. Isaac Adongo, a politician, member of 7th Parliament of the 4th Republic, representing a Bogatanga Central constituency, a Upper East region, NDC ticket. No, they were a Parliament House or now or a accountant, a human right activist, as well as a lawyer, a politician. You get it, you know, and Isaac Adongo, and so if you are celebrating your birthday, you are celebrating your birthday with such a prominent and much respected politician, and Joyce Ajua Ako Day. Okay, no. This lady was a fantastic lady. I mean, say Obekaya, Ghana. Politics mo a very down to earth parliamentarian. I mean him no your friend of Joyce Ajua Ako Day or no and a member of the New Patriotic Party so no so me no ka say there Obekaya member of parliament for ma bosom free home constituency in Ashanti region na onunyamfo yi ana obia pay or no so ni seat any away from politicians, you know. Mami Momodianko, one of the hard-working police officers. Your friend Peter Namfuri, Ubekaya, wabedi IGP da. Peter Namfuri, wabedi IGP da. Ene na woda. Meno kase die oko Jerapa traditional area. Ono ene ohenia oho. Peter Nafuri ene ege na woda ono so ye exactly the 12th day in the month of October 1942 and ye wo former IGP sanso na A.K.A Dongo obekaya me say ye wo no 12 October 1972 and na obapa Joyce Ajoako ono so ye run 12 of October 1964 and ye wo no ewo Kumase the last person ege the almighty Baba Yara on say ye the Baba Yara Sports Stadium krato no na Baba Yara ni din ankasa no Osman Seidu ni din ankofo na anim ono no gaze go ni afefere go Abukari ono Abukari say go ni afefere nti Baba Yara Ghanaian international football player me no ka say die oye keen winger gone at Disney Freno and after 1962 FIFA World Cup qualifiers campaign no 26 years Obomadian prior to a motor accident na say when Timianko represented Ghana and on his spinal cord injury a whole lot in the year in 2005 Baba Yara Sports Stadium no me no ka say di no any the tono ye won on the 12th day in the month of October 1936 any wo Baba Yara and these are the prominent people who do awoda woni omu do awoda. Let's start from A.K.A Dongo 12th day in the month of October 1972 great politician by all standard and also Yenko Obapa Joyce Ajoako MPP ticket on also 12 October 1964 any wo no and the almighty Peter Nafuri former IGP and Oyohene ewo Jarapa traditional area ho Peter Nafuri ene na woda 12th day in the month of October 1942 and Baba Yara the almighty Baba Yara ono ena meno kasaidia from 1936 to 1969 ojini dia ene na woda Ghana bakosom die sankrofo ya mabobo mu din na their names will never be forgotten. All right, dear friend, I'm Kwame Mpere A.K.A. My friend, the finest. And a few messages coming in. And this one says, watching live from Gospel Oak Barbering Shop inside Kumasi. All right, and this one says, Nana, you are great. Keep it up. We love your show from Erica. And this one says, you are doing the listening inside PCE. In fact, you are the commander of the airways. Yes, thank you so much, PCE Nanaki. Thank you so much for your message as well. All right, I will share the people's favorite is up next on my show, the people's shows and our show. Namia Mani at Asotia say I have a date with you tomorrow, same time, same dial. I am your same man. My name is Nana Kwame Mpere. The ultimate finest. As I said here, Nkoma Onunyam for Kweku Boache. I am your executive producer. Not forgetting your Koreachi my operations. And to you, Gideon Toe or Tafrija, and to my entire people out there, staff in Abuami. What I know na share technical room or the two social media, near mass chemists. Ziggy being so supporting as head of technical.
Tell me that you love me, and I love it, okay. Show me that you want me, show me that you need me. Tell me that you love me, and I go there, okay. Time they go, make we go. Say I get you, it's a go. Back me for.
All right, for God and country. I said life in this world is a great struggle both for the young and old. And even those who greater riches are troubles on their own. Rich men envy poor men envy the rich. Therefore, what is the sense in envy your neighbor? Charlie Momo doing the Mukan BBM. I am out like that. People's favorite. Kwesiata, Joe Boy, Baju.
Make I come to you tonight. Show you the one to company, yeah. I picture the things I go do to you tonight. You for sure they run for me, yeah.